it. No, I know, you're not really getting this concept. No, you didn't.
Oh, you did. Good.
I'll open it with my teeth. Oh, boy! Rip it open!
Look at that.
No. Don't eat it. I'm not gonna eat it.
Supposed to eat it.
Rip! Rip! You're getting there. Rip! Ooh, what's this? Oh, it's a Merry Bunny Christmas.
Thank you. I'll eat it.
Ooh! What's this? How do we use it? Oh, look at there's a mirror. He loves mirrors. Let's open it. Let's open it, dude. I know. What is that?
Hey,
So
hon,
exciting.
will you grab the scissors for her in case you need them to cut something? Please.
Nope, I got it.
Scissors. Oh, okay.
Nope. We got it. Look at that. Look it. Wait.
But she says I gotta eat it first.
So that wasn't going fast enough.
There.
Ooh.
What is that?
I'm like, thank you very much. I like it.